Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today what we are cooking is some quick collard greens, and we're going to use us a little bacon, you guys. We're going to use us a little bacon, okay? And these collard greens is going to go so quick, you guys, so make sure you relax and you come on back to this video. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put us a little olive oil. Because I always use a little olive oil even though I know the bacon renders its own oils. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And the second thing is we're going to get this bacon on. We're going to get this bacon on. And there's no way of doing this bacon because you can keep it all together. Because once we put our collard greens in there and they get to cooking, it's going to break down itself, okay? So, yeah. This is something I wanted. So, no worries. Clean hands. And we're just going to go ahead and get this bacon on in here. It's no Pacific Wave. How is everybody doing? And if you're a first-time viewer to this channel, thank you. I appreciate you. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button and come on in and join the family. And we're just going to go on and get this on down. Now on this channel you will learn I do quick simple meals, easy meals. Sometimes I even make twist up a meal. Okay? So for the most part, if you enjoy cooking and you enjoy watching people cook, you're on the right channel. So guys, we have our bacon cooking. Let me get you guys a little closer. Yeah, we have our bacon cooking in here, and I'm just going to stir that up. Because like I said, all the goodness is going to be right here at the bottom of your pot. Right? I just wanted to get a little fry on them and get it to going. So I'm going to submerge my greens over in here. You know. And we're going to get these going because it's going to get a little water off of it anyway. Because that's what greens do. And I'm just going to let that go in here for right now. I don't know how many collard green videos and I cook them a different way each and every time, you guys. But it just, you know, the collard greens have such flavor and nutrients for the body. We're going to go at the bottom of here, you guys, and we're going to bring these to the top. And then get that bacon, bring it on to the top. This was my last minute meal. I was in the mood for some greens, and you know, I wanted to make some corned beef and cabbage for you guys. I made some Friday it was, and I pretty much enjoyed them. So I want to bring it to a video for you guys. Hopefully I can get it out in time for the holidays, but if not, here go a green video, share with your friends, your family, and make you some simple greens at home, because you got the holidays coming up. You got the holidays. Now we're going to add some more greens on top of here, and we're going to just keep building until they cook. We get them all in, right? And then we got to carry with our seasoning. Okay fam, so everything, all the greens has cooked down. Okay, and we're going to go on here and we're going to put us a little seasoning on here. Okay, so let's start with this. Now we're going to use the whole pack, but we're going to good portion at a time. I think I needed some more black pepper, but I'm not sure. But we got a little to go with, okay? I'm sorry, I should have showed you. And we got some salt substitute, okay? Now, I went with this because of sodium intake, okay? So, we have a dry chopped onions. I'm going to put us some in here. Okay, see, I don't have time for that. So, yes, you guys, if you're a first-time viewer, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Come join the fam. And we got us some dash extra spicy. Yeah, that's the flavor we're going with, you guys. We're just going to go and stir this on up. Get on down in there. You guys, it has very little water in here because I didn't add any water, right? Because I'm looking for a steamed green. See how that bacon is shredding itself? It's so many ways you can do greens. There's so many ways you can do cabbage. And we're just going to go ahead and bring it from the bottom to the top. And get all of that in here. We're going to put our other remaining season on in here. The rest of this is okay. We're going to get that on out the way. Right. And I also like to say shout out to E. Brooks and as well as I Ain't Going. They gave me some suggestions back a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just not really getting into it. But I thank you guys because I did get the oxtails. I did get the oxtails. I did get the cabbage. And yeah, we're going to go with us some beans as well. So just be looking out for that video, you guys. I know you guys have stuck by me through it all. Keep your pot on medium, but not too low, okay? And we're just going to go and let these do their thing, right? And we'll be back when they're done. Because meantime, we got us some jiffy cornbread in the oven to go with the greens, you guys. So guys, check out how my greens has cooked down. You guys, they are looking absolutely delicious, right? Look at there. Oh my goodness, you guys. And like I say, it's not much juice. Now you can let the greens render itself out of the juice. But I want to show you guys just how much juice is in here. So lean forward with me. Can you guys see the juice? That's the only juice that we have. And this came off the greens, you guys. It came off the greens, you guys. When I tell you that it's definitely good eats, that is definitely good eats, you guys. And let me wrap this on around here because I'm feeling lazy today. But we have some delicious jiffy cornbread in there. And no, I didn't make a side of meat because me and my daughter just decided on this inexpensive meal, because that's what it is. An inexpensive meal, you guys. It don't take much. I think I paid maybe about $3 for the greens. And like I say, let me see how brown this cornbread is. Oh yeah, we're ready. Look at that cornbread, guys. The lighting do no justice. But that will complete this video. Like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know it's so easy to make greens, you guys. Especially southern collard greens, steamed greens, fried greens. Because if I let that juice render and I put a touch of more olive oil, because that's what I go with, and just keep stirring them. Keep stirring them. Never take your eye off them. And I promise you, you'll have some delicious fried collard greens. So yes, I also would like to say shout out to I Ain't Going, your oxtails, and your request that's on my page will definitely be out behind this video. I can't say when, because I'm study billing right now on these videos to get myself back in the rhythm, you know. So you know, y'all know what I mean, you know. Y'all know Miss Joe, okay, talk, okay. But anywho, I'm trying to build all of the videos back up. So please be patient, because I definitely got them. I even got to where we're going to have us some beef ribs this week, okay? I don't know what's going to go with it, but it's coming, okay? Be on the lookout for that. Like I say, simple everyday meals that I enjoy eating. And yeah, that part you gotta know. I saw the little bubbles. So I just put that over there. And meantime, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll see you guys on the next video. So until then, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.